Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming exactly which transcript the GKS application needs, because getting the wrong type wastes days. Contact your registrar now, ask about processing time and fees, and request them to send an official, sealed transcript. If your school issues only local language records, arrange a certified translation and an apostille if required. Once you have confirmation, order both a sealed paper copy and a high-quality scanned PDF, so you can upload immediately when the portal opens. After ordering, monitor the shipment closely. Use tracking and confirm the recipient, embassy, university, or admission office and their preferred delivery method. When you receive the transcript, inspect every field: grades, enrollment dates, degree conferral, registrar signature, and official stamp. If something's missing, contact the registrar immediately to correct it. Then scan a high-resolution PDF, name it with your full name and ID, and store originals in a secure folder. This prevents delays during the application upload step. Now upload the PDF to the GKS application portal, making sure you meet file size and format requirements. After upload, wait for the confirmation receipt and save that screenshot. If originals must be mailed, use a tracked, insured courier and keep delivery proof. If the portal rejects the file or an item is missing on the transcript, request an expedited reissue from your registrar, explain the deadline, and notify GKS support with evidence. This prevents last-minute disqualification and keeps your application active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.